Hello friends, welcome to our channel MedicalBazzar. Today we will show you the demo of elbow and shoulder CPM machine. We will show you how to assemble the machine and then how to use the machine. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start how to assemble the machine. These are the complete attachments that you will get with the machine. Let's start the assembling of the machine now. After attaching this, now we will put it on wheels. You need to extend. एक सेकेंड हाइट नीचे कर दो इसकी थोड़ी सी. You can also adjust the height of the machine. बस. Now we will show you how to push the shoulder attachment. You need to match both the dots for proper angle. You can put on the either sides for right and left. Now we will put the elbow attachment. Again, you need to match both the points. That one was for elbow, this is for shoulder. These are the adjustment knobs for in and out of elbow adjustment. This is the patient switch. Now you can see the machine is ready to use. You can use any of the one you want for shoulder, then you can remove the elbow one. If you want for elbow, you can remove the shoulder one. Let's start the demo now.